modeling of paite nampuani chi kha twa round ni ong paidi hiya first round pen kha designer round na hi dia hai first round pen kha a designer tuna kon introduce pa ke dia ma kha atop na lamin kon introduce dia a designer round na chi pen kha to a designer nu siam tak len cha amin to amel ma ma stage cha ong ki samde hiya amana design nge ne hiya mi piten hoi takin non et sak dingwa inam puan te kha atwam twam style twam twam ma bang sidana design the hi chi kha ong ki taglang dinga hi designer round khut bet bet thei hi paite puan dum nal ta kaung ki design Puan ni kala hoi taka kui the nal taka tuna tena model te nal pp mel hoi tak tak te a designer nu to happy takin stage lamang pai to wen mi pite nan ki mute bai hi mi pite put hi a designer ama sa penang pai nung aglun kim he nali sa thayu mo ama sa pen kha hi poite puan dum hai kit sa designer hai kit sia puan license ali nale bangale mi pite alina akachi chu a design ama designer kita puan license hai kita banga ngai de win atop nala ngol tek he ki pa hwae mi pt le knowledge hoi ma hi thank you designer Loon Kim yai kha first round designer round nahi ya second round yes yai kha paiti puan dum nal taka design tek as a frog yes thank you amami anu design siya mama hi aman le input sa pya ka hingay ding yai le paite puan dum nal taka as a skirt as a top nal latel hang san mama hi inungak teo abana next who is the next model yes nalay nak khut Waya, a purse toile paite puan dum purse hi. Next. Ngay may no pay. Yes. Nag siya may. Next. Yes, yay ka paite puan dum. To paite puan dum puanak. Yaya stage mayong paihela ong ki pose sekolen hey mi pite on wave olen mi pite hello on siolen thank you next mi pite hoi takino na encourage hunla malam dewa Puana Kanu na design sagna lalal. Thank you. Yes, you can go back now. Sildi. Wow! Nalay amalam dewang payalen. Anu te design siyang hey way. Ang kipose ko le boy. Mipite ang wave ulen. Wave to the Wave in front. Yes, repeating on the wave back. Yes, thank you. You can go back. Next, in Bangon Sylvia. Hong Pai Wale. Next. Yes, ang ngay olem. Ya, malamang kiposo. Yes, ya lam dewa. Nalay. Nalwa mi pitik. Next. The last man standing. He's coming on the stage. Give us a kiss. Give us a kiss. Yes, thank you. Another flying kiss. You are the last man standing. Yes, thank you. And you want to do something with your hat? Yes, thank you. Tuna, yay tingin. Modeling of paite ng buwan kay Hun Kazohi Kipaway.